Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. We are at Carlene Kemp's property here in Snellville, Georgia. I am located on the front slope. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle. We're going to be replacing it with a new shingle. Here is the damaged shingle we're going to be removing today. As you can tell, we can kind of get an overview of the shingle condition. These are 17-year-old shingle, very brittle and thin. So I'm gonna let you guys follow along while I remove this shingle and put that shingle in its place. I'm gonna get you guys angled. Is that way you can see all of the shingles? Might be better to do it over here. Okay. So these are all 3 tabs in this shingle. Before I start, this is the damaged shingle, obviously. You can see the tabs in right here and right there. Shingles are still sealed. So I'll give you. Let me see if this is a better angle. Alrighty, guys. That angle's good. All right, so these shingles definitely unseal themselves, sealant. So as you can see, guys, these things are just popping off. Sealant is basically given out on these. As you can see, let's do this one right here, unsealed. It's probably why we have so much wind damage up on this roof. It's because these shingles are coming unsealed very easily. Got 2 right here, guys. One more. Now it should just pop out. Shingle going in. Alrighty, guys. Starting to get hot up on these roofs. All right. Here is the shingle put in, guys. As you can see, we already have some granule loss and some creasing at the top of these shingles. Now, if you can tell, or not if you can tell, but obviously none of these shingles over here were affected by this repair. Even though they are worn, I can rub my hand across these shingles, and as you can see, no loose granules fall off. Now, the next wind, any kind of weather we get, rain, inclement weather is going to knock all these loose granules on these 2 rows that I have now had to manipulate to put this shingle in. So if I were to do the same motion on these shingles, guys, as you can see, it's very lightly across. You can see on every shingle, actually some worse than others, that these granules are coming off and creasing up at the top. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.